Hey guys, welcome back to Exquisite Books. My name is Pasat Ali, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can import the products and services into your QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. So the first you have to go to this gear icon, and then under the tools go to import data. Now here you can upload a variety of things on the QuickBooks. But for today's video, we are going to select the products and services. Let's click import. Now the QuickBooks gives you two options. Either you can sync any spreadsheet with the QuickBooks Online, or you can manually upload a CSV file. We'll proceed with this CSV file section, and let's click upload. Now here you can also download a sample file in case you don't have a sample file for the products and services. Now before uploading, let me take you to the sheet. Let me take you to the CSV sheet. Now this is the CSV file that we are going to upload it on the QuickBooks Online. Now this is the product or service name. This is the sales description, the SKU, the type, the sales price, the income account, and the inventory asset account. Now some of the fields are mandatory, like those are the compulsory fields and they cannot be left blank. Just like these columns are all like optional options. If you want to fill them out, you can fill them out, or else you can also leave them blank. But the section like this, product and service name, the type, the income account, and the inventory asset account. Now these are the mandatory fields. These cannot be left blank, or else QuickBooks will give you an error that it cannot upload that file unless you fill out these details. So let's proceed. I'll select the file and I'll press OK, and now let's proceed. Now here it has pre-mapped the required fields because I am using the same column names as required by the QuickBooks. And you can see only this check option is appearing before those columns that QuickBooks have allocated. But in your case, if some field is missing, you can also manually select any required field that is missing. So let's proceed. Now here you can see that QuickBooks Online have shown me all of the details, all of the rows that are present on my CSV file, and I can edit or I can delete any of these rows here. So here it is the name of the product and service. I can change them. I can do like anything with it. I can edit it. So this gives you a little flexibility. Even if there is some error on the CSV, you can cross check all of the details, the sales price, the income account, the expense account, the quantity, and anything. So in my case it is all okay. I don't need anything to be changed. So let's proceed. Let's press the import. Now all of the products have been imported successfully. Now if I go to the products and services section, now here you can see that all of my recently added products inventory items have been uploaded successfully. It starts with the bottom. Let's start with the bottom, from headphones all the way to gaming mouse. The quantity on hand, the sales price, the name, the type, it is all okay. I can also cross check it with the sheet. Let's go to this sheet. It starts with motherboard 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 inventory items that I have uploaded. So where is the motherboard here? So it started from this item all the way down to the bottom to headphones OPX. So that is how you can import your products and services. In my case, it was all inventory items I wanted to import. That's why the type is only inventory. but if you upload some service, the type will automatically be a service. You do have to mention that this is a service, and when it gets uploaded it will appear as a service here. You can also upload bundles here as well. You just have to mention the type bundle in your CSV file. So that was it. That's how you can import your products and services into the QuickBooks Online. I do hope you guys liked the video, and thank you for watching.